How to log into TSB Bank credit card online account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna see the search box, type in TSB login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, tsbbank.co, open it. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. Firstly, go ahead and type in your customer ID, then type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you fill this, click on login, and just with that you will be logged into your TSB account. Once logged in, you can easily get access to your credit card section. So this way you can easily log into TSB Bank credit card online account. Likewise, if you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option of register and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.